What HVAC issues occur after replacing flooring? Replacing flooring can cause blocked vents, damaged ductwork, airflow problems, dust buildup, and unusual heating or cooling performance. When flooring is removed and installed, floor vents may be covered, shifted, raised, or sealed too tightly around the new material. Even a small gap or height change can stop a register from fitting correctly, which reduces airflow into the room. Workers may also drop dust, glue, sawdust, or tiny flooring pieces into open vents, and this debris can travel toward the furnace or air handler. If ducts run below the floor, nails, staples, or cutting tools can puncture them and allow conditioned air to escape. New flooring can also make doors fit more tightly, blocking return air grills and causing pressure problems throughout the home. A little-known issue is that covering one supply vent can increase pressure in the duct system, making nearby ducts noisier and causing rooms to heat or cool unevenly. Before work begins, photograph each vent, cover openings without sealing them permanently, and keep dust away from the heating and cooling equipment. Afterward, check every register and return grill, replace a dirty filter, and compare airflow from each opening with how it felt before the project. A common mistake is assuming a vent is working because air can be felt nearby, so hold a tissue over each register and confirm steady airflow. Another mistake is placing furniture or a rug over a return grill, so keep returns fully open and leave clearance around them. People also sometimes ignore new whistling, rattling, or weak airflow, but these sounds can signal a loose grill, blocked duct, or puncture, so have the system inspected before the problem grows. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.